बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Deceitful Crow. One day, a hungry crow was wandering in the forest. Suddenly, he saw an eagle feasting on its prey. The crow became greedy and thought, "If I can steal his meat, I'll have a feast." The crow slowly moved closer and quickly snatched a piece of meat. But as he flew away, the meat slipped from his beak and fell to the ground. Instantly, another bird swooped in and carried it away. The crow was left with nothing. Neither did he get food of his own, nor did he enjoy what he had stolen. Embarrassed, he thought, "If only I had worked hard for my food, I wouldn't be empty-handed today. Greed and deceit brought me nothing." Moral: those who try to deceive others end up deceiving themselves.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.